This is the first time people from the primitive era have seen soap bubbles, and they're completely amazed, thinking it's some kind of magic. However, Chrome directly explains the structure of soap bubbles. He's the scientist of this primitive age. Chrome challenges Senku to a magic duel. He first lights up a fire, then throws some powder into the flames. The next second, the fire changes to different colors. The primitive people nearby are totally shocked, but Senku isn't fazed at all. He knows this is just a regular flame test. You can change the color of flames by adding salt, copper powder, sulfur, and other materials. Chrome is blown away that his magic trick got exposed. To win the competition, he quickly rushes back inside and brings out a black sphere. Chrome keeps rubbing it with his hands, then walks over to Kahaku, a girl standing nearby. With just a light touch of his finger, an electric current flows through her body. But this still can't beat Senku. He immediately recognizes it as a sulfur ball that you can make by heating and melting sulfur. Senku is really impressed with Chrome because this is something humans didn't invent until the 17th century. He tells Chrome how to amp up the electrical current. Just wrap the ball in leather and rub it really fast, and you'll get power that's 10 billion times stronger than Chrome's version. Chrome still won't give up. He decides to bet everything on one final showdown with Senku, and that's math. Unsurprisingly, he loses to Senku again. Chrome loses his house, but the mineral collection inside gets Senku super excited. They're all rare metals with incredible hardness. Turns out Chrome has loved collecting all kinds of stones since he was a kid, then heating them up. Whenever they produced special reactions, he'd add them to his collection. Senku takes a liking to Chrome even though he doesn't understand science. He's got a strong spirit of exploration, which is exactly the kind of partner Senku needs in this primitive age. To rebuild the kingdom of science, Senku tells him about the scientific civilization from 700 years ago. This totally blows Chrome's mind. He had no idea humans had developed technology to that level. But at the same time, he's filled with frustration that a scientific civilization that took millions of years to build vanished overnight. However, Senku confidently tells him that human civilization can't be easily erased. 2 million years of technological development are all stored in his brain. Chrome gets super pumped and agrees to help Senku rebuild the kingdom of science and restore human civilization.